Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Miss Bunny is back with a new lesson. Welcome back to Miss Bunny's classroom. Today our topic is Introduction to Numbers 1 to 5. Let's begin. Our first number is 1. You can repeat with me. 1. The number which you are looking at on the screen is 1. When we talk about 1, it means that we talk about only one object. Here you can see a sleeping lion. How many lions are there? There is only one lion on the screen. And you can see the number is also 1. Let's see what comes after 1. The next number is 2. What comes after 1? 2. This number is 2. When we talk about number 2, we mean that there must be 2 objects. Let's count them. How many rockets are there? 1 rocket, 2 rockets. How many rockets are there on the screen? There are 2 rockets on the screen. And the number is 2. What comes after 2? Let's see. 3. The next number which we have is 3. When we talk about number 3, we mean that there must be 3 objects. Let's count how many objects are there on the screen. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sleepy rats hiding behind the globe. The number is 3 and there are 3 globes and 3 sleepy rats. Let's see what we have just learned. We have learned the number 1. When we talk about number 1, we talk about one object. There is number 1 on the screen and there is only one lion in front of the number 1. The next number is 2. And there are 2 rockets in front of the number 2. After 1 and 2, there comes number 3. And we have 3 giraffes there in front of the number 3. So, we learned 3 numbers. The first number is 1. 2 comes after 1 and 3 comes after 2. The sequence is 1, 2, 3. Let's see what comes after number 3. Here comes number 4. Let's see, when we talk about number 4, how many objects are we talking about? 1 bouncy rat, 2 bouncy rats, 3 bouncy rats, and 4 bouncy rats. When we talk about number 4, we are talking about 4 objects. The number is 4. You can repeat with me. This number is 4. And the objects are 4 too. Let's see another example. Here, the number is 4 and there are some dinosaurs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dinosaurs on the screen. When we talk about number 4, we mean that we are talking about 4 objects. Let's recall what we have just learned. At first, we learned the number 1. Then there comes number 2. After number 2, there comes number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We learned 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can repeat with me. This number is called 1. Then we have 2. After 2, we have number 3. And then we have number 4. In sequence, there is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see what comes after number 4. Here comes number 5. This number is 5. You can repeat with me. There is number 5 on the screen. Wow! 1 gray elephant. 2 gray elephants. 3 gray elephants. 4 gray elephants and 5 gray elephants. Yes, when we talk about number 5, we talk about 5 objects. There are 5 gray elephants who are sleeping on the screen. Let's see what do we have next. There is a revision slide. The first number which we have learned is 1. Then there comes number 2. After 2, we have number 3. Then we have number 4 and number 5. Let's revise them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do an activity. Count the sleeping frogs. 1 frog, 2 frogs, 3 frogs, 4 frogs, and 5 frogs. How many frogs are there on the screen? There are 5 frogs on the screen. The number is 5. There are 5 frogs on the screen. Let's count the boys. How many boys are there on the screen? Let's count them. 1, 2. There are 2 boys on the screen. Yes, the number is 2. Let's count the crocodiles. 1 crocodile, 2 crocodiles, 3 crocodiles, and 4 crocodiles. How many crocodiles are there on the screen? There are 4 crocodiles on the screen. The number is 4. Let's count the bears. There is only 1 sleepy bear on the screen. The number is 1. Count the cars. 1 fast blue car. 2 fast blue cars. 3 fast blue cars. There are 3 blue cars on the screen. When we talk about 3 cars, we talk about the number 3. Now, it's time to recall what we have learned. Today, we learned some numbers. The first number was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Today, we learned numbers from 1 to 5. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.